55 grams of thermite. Ready to go. Yeah, you're gonna want to run.
Yeah. It's kind of. What am I supposed to look at? Just like straight ahead. You'll catch the yellow. Don't. Who cares? This is what Andrew will back up. Watch. That's the bright part too.
That is pretty bright.
Maybe it's because it just melted metal.
Does it do anything else?
No, and I
Oh,
probably.
but it's burning the phone.
Yes, Aaron, your phone is no more.
It's on fire. Phone is on fire. That's
No,
melt now?
just let it melt itself.
There's metal melting right there.
They're just pieces of thermite. Look, we have our own little like fire and stuff. There's fire.
Yeah, it's plastic and circuits melting.
Dude, I totally want to see that phone and keep it when it's done. Now there's going to be metal on the sidewalk.
Oh, don't touch it. Let it go till it goes out.